alphabetically starting. So let's start with Anshu Kesri. Anshu, are you here? Anshu, can you hear me? Anshu Kesri, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible to you?
Yeah. Hi. Good morning. Good evening. Sorry.
Good evening. Okay, can you please turn your video on?
Huh?
Will that be all right for you? Can you please turn your video on?
Okay. Wait for a minute.
Sure. Yeah. Anshu, can you please tell me in two, three lines something about yourself?
About myself.
Yeah.
My name is Anshu Keshri. I'm a housewife and mother of two kids. Both are son, and that's it.
Where do you stay?
Oh, okay. I live in Kolkata.
Okay.
Okay. My hometown is in Patna.
Okay. Okay. I believe we are talking for the first time, right?
Yeah. We meet first time.
Yeah, we met first time. Nice meeting you, Anshu.
Thank
Tell
you.
me one thing. Yeah. Tell me one thing that how much amount of power do you have in your home? You feel?
Power
Yeah.
50-50, like 50% husband's power, but 50 mine. It's
What falls
50.
under the category of your power segment?
My
Which moment
category,
you enjoy your power? You enjoy and exercise your power. Yeah.
uh, actually, I'm not a powerful person that I put all my powers. I do my work. I never use any power. So I don't know what power I have.
Do you believe in power? What is a power to you? When we
Power,
say that God is a superpower, we also
yeah.
believe in a kind of a strength, right? That's what we say. So now, what is a power to you?
Power is for me is like I have a power like everybody has a power, but nobody knows that. Everyone have a powers. Everyone have their own strength. Like power means strength or strength, not.
My question to you was, how much amount of power do you enjoy at your home? You said 50-50.
Yes.
Okay, so if 50% is your power segment, then what are the segments where you enjoy your power? You enjoy or you exercise your power? Because you started talking about something very philosophical. My question was not philosophical. Please try to understand. I wanted to know that what are the segments where you enjoy or exercise your power?
Power means what? Means like
Power
my
is
power.
whatever you think it to be. The answer is up to you, not up to me.
I don't know what I have, what power I have. Even I mean, like in home, I do my works. That's it. I don't know what power I have.
If you are given the power to change the country, what would you love to do for this country? In order to bring certain changes to the country, you need power access, right? You,
Yes.
as a civilian, if you go to other people and ask them to implement something, they may not listen to you. But if you are having access to that power, then you might get something done good for the country. So, what are the aspects where you'd like to bring certain changes?
I like to bring
I'm sure your video is off. I cannot see you actually.
learn to behave, not
Behave
moral, but
what?
a manner education.
Behave what? What changes would
In
you bring
manners
to your
education,
country?
in
What
India,
changes
there
would you
was,
like to bring to your country?
okay, bring to our country.
Please listen to the question. Yes. You are mute. We cannot hear you.
Yeah, like change in our country, that political system, we should have to give give power to educated people, not illiterate people, like
Like,
sensible people, like that's that was the biggest changes in our country.
Anshu, a very humble request to you is, am I audible to you? Because your video is toggling so much that I
Actually,
cannot see
my
you.
wait a minute.
Any problem?
No, no.
Anshu, a very humble suggestion to you is, uh, please start talking. Okay.
Okay.
What I felt is you are a very hesitant person to communicate. Unless and until you are okay with yourself that you can talk sense.
I am
And
little bit shy type of
I
person.
could understand that. I could
I
understand
can't
that.
uh,
I could understand
face
that.
to
Yes.
face. That was my problem. I keep put nervous. I
Please keep
become
your
nervous.
video on. Please keep your video on.
Yes, I become nervous. That's why.
Please, I could absolutely understand that, Anshu, but please understand one thing, that if you have problem in some specific domain, we are here to work on that area only, right? Otherwise, we will not be able to improve ourselves, right? I absolutely understand that you are a shy and you're a very private person. You prefer privacy and you prefer to remain silent and you are a good listener. I absolutely understand that. No worries. But please understand, since you have joined us for bettermenting your communication skill, so the primary key to communication is to talk. So even if you are shy, you will have to talk. Otherwise, you will never be able to communicate good to anybody around you. And please understand, communication, being good in communication, is important for yourself, for your family, for your personal life, even if you're not going to work anywhere. What is happening with you is you are thinking something and you are saying something else. There is absolutely no parity. यू टोल्ड मी, आपने मुझे क्या बोला कि घर में जो पावर का डिवीजन है वो 50-50 है, 50% मेरा हस्बैंड का है, 50% मेरा है। अब जब मैंने आपसे पूछा कि 50% जो आपका है उसमें कौन कौन सा कैटेगरी में आप खुद को पावरफुल समझते हो, you told me that I don't know whether I have any power or not. So the immediate question comes in my mind is, तो फिर ये 50-50 का भाग कैसे हो गया? तो फिर 100 and 0 होना चाहिए था ना, है ना? You could tell me that yes, I am the supreme power in my kitchen. I am the supreme power in terms of my children. Whatever I decide for them, that happens. टीवी का रिमोट का पावर हाउस मैं ही हूँ, मैं जो बोलूंगी वही चलेगा,
But
है ना?
it's not possible, na?
That is it could be an answer. I'm just talking about the possibilities. What it is for you, that you have to decide. But if you are saying that I am 50% of the powerhouse and your answer is I don't know if I have a power, it shows sheer dichotomy. Please understand.
Okay.
Okay. And in order to do that, you have to question yourself. You have to question yourself from every answer that you come with. If you do that, I'm sure that you are going to do much better in the next session.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. It was lovely meeting you. And with that, shall we please move on to our next participant? I can see Abid was joining. Has he left?
Yes, I think so. He's not there.
Okay. Okay. So shall we move to Atul Kumar? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing good too. Tell me, what are the changes that you'd love to bring to your motherland if you are given the supreme power? Sir, I cannot see
I
you actually. I can see just a breeze. Nothing else.
1 second. Maybe it's
You
because
are out
it's.
of the frame, yeah.
Let me try to get lights on. It's early
Okay,
morning.
okay.
It's not.
Yeah, it's quite early morning. It's quite early morning. Okay. Yeah, sure. You can answer now, please. Yeah.
So the change I would like to bring to my motherland, Bharat,
Hmm.
is to change the perceit. I mean, almost everybody I know is trying to look for a government job or a job and change that to make that a country, a nation of entrepreneurs. So, of 1.3 billion people, maybe a billion entrepreneurs, and the other 300 billion can do a government job and other stuff. That's the change I would like to have.
Do you think that lack of entrepreneurship mentality is one of the major drawbacks which is not letting India move ahead in its career growth?
Exactly, because in India, and especially the part of India I come from, Bihar, and especially eastern part of India, Bihar, UP, Bengal, Orissa, getting into a sarkari job is a dream of every. I mean, at least parents want their children to prepare for civil services. If you don't get civil services, okay, then go to banking job or UTI or something like that. So any private job is considered really bad, and so that is, I think, holding India back because entrepreneurship is not respected. And with entrepreneurship, I would say I would prioritize it in this order: number one, entrepreneurship; number two, private job; and then last resort, government job. Whereas currently in India is the other way around, just the reverse of it.
Tell me one thing that we do not prioritize entrepreneurship much in countries like India. Is it more because of the reason that we are afraid of failures? We do not encourage people to fail. Is it like that?
Absolutely, absolutely. So I am in San Jose, Silicon Valley,
Mhm.
and one of the uh, beautiful things about Silicon Valley is that failure is not only accepted, but failure is actually celebrated.
Celebrated, yes.
Ma- many entrepreneurs, when they're hiring, if you have not failed, then you will get disqualified in there. They will not clear the interview. If you haven't had
Don't you
failures,
think?
then
I absolutely
yeah,
understand.
yeah.
Let me ask you that what is your line of business that you have been doing in the Silicon Valley for the last couple of years?
So I have started a company, Ren Ventures, and it's
Hmm.
mainly to promote entrepreneurship. I mean, it's a for-profit company. So I basically help startups connect to the market space. So somebody looking for funding, somebody looking for business,
Hmm.
clients. So that's what my company does. But I spend a larger part of my time, actually 90% plus time, in some non-profits to promote entrepreneurship.
Okay. So now, can I please ask you the last question as that you, being a son of the soil of Eastern India, how you have tried to do good things to the part you belong from? What has been your contribution so far to your hometown?
Sure. So I was born in Jharkhand, Jamshedpur, and parents, I mean, but mostly spent time in Jharkhand and Bihar. So I tried with Bihar is where I started first. Like I've been involved in some way socially right from the beginning of internet, trying to build communities, connect people. But in 2011 is when I actually took a big step. Flew down from New York to Patna, trying to organize it to New York to Patna and Bodh Gaya to launch this organization called Bihar Entrepreneurs Network. And in the opening message, I shared that Bihar had too many too many leaders and thinkers. We had our share of Buddha and Mahavir and Chanakya and all those great thinkers, but we don't need more of that. Not we don't need too many gurus. We have every Bihari is a guru. Gives a lot of gyan on everything. We need more of entrepreneurs and less of less of uh, scholars and teachers. The gyan portion of Bihar is, I think our quota is overfull. We need to have more entrepreneurs, more startups. So I tried to promote that. Initially, I tried to do that by this entrepreneurship network. Later on, to promote that, also tried to organize a marathon also in Patna, so that the message reaches every corner of Bihar. And it was big. The marathon was very, very popular. Everybody in the
Successful.
I'm not successful. That's where I face the real problem. What's holding Bihar back? So the whole state was excited about it. All the students from various schools, colleges, doctors,
Sir,
bureaucrats, everybody
requesting
went.
you to be a bit short because we will
Sure,
have to cater to two other participants
sure,
as well.
sure. So I'm
Thank
saying
you.
I tried to do that. There a lot of excitement. Everybody was excited about this marathon, but the people who matter, they actually tried to thwart it. So the chief minister, deputy chief minister, and few corrupt bureaucrats, they wanted money, and that's why I backed out to Bihar. So I said I'm not going to do anything in Bihar till we have a change of people. So that's why I've taken a break from Bihar.
Thank you. It was lovely talking to you. And I really hope that people, young people, people new who are energetic and enthusiastic and really look forward to do something of their own line of interest in terms of business will seek your guidance, support in terms of whatever way they are feasible. And I believe that you will be way around in all possible capabilities that you can afford in their
Thank
way
you,
to
ma'am.
come. Thank you. Thank you, sir. It was lovely talking to you as always and hope to catch you up sometime in the later time as well. And with that, may I please move on to Khushbu? Khushbu, my dear, please turn your video on. Yeah,
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
I cannot see you.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
where are you?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
hello.
Good
Hello.
evening, ma'am.
Yeah, you're looking very pretty.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
dressed up for this session?
No, not disturb. It's my daily routine. Actually, this,
Oh, okay. It's good that you keep yourself on a good shape every time that I get to see. Khushbu, tell me that do you think that you are a very powerful woman?
yes, ma'am. In home, I'm a very powerful.
It shows that you are very powerful. I'm sure that your husband must be trembling in your fear. Is it like
Not
that?
fear.
He's trembling in his fear, in your
He's
fear.
a very friend. Like he's a very friendly relation with my husband.
It is a very friendly relationship with
Friendly
my
relationship.
husband.
Sorry, ma'am. It
Say
is
it
a
in a correct way.
yes, ma'am. It
Or
is
he is a very friendly person. It's a
yes. He's
simple,
a
छोटा सा है.
very person.
ठीक
Yes.
से बोलो.
He is a very friendly person. My husband is a very friendly person. I like him most.
ये जो next वाला sentence आपने बोला ना, that was not needed. The
Okay.
question was, please try to understand. The question was, do you think that you are a very powerful woman in your home? You said yes. After that, I told you that yes, it shows that you are a very powerful woman, and I am sure that your husband is trembling in your power that you enjoy. Then you started saying that no, it is not like that. He is a very friendly person.
Actually, I don't know the meaning of trembling.
ट्रेम्बलिंग मतलब कांप रहे हैं डर में, आपके डर में कांप रहे हैं,
No,
ऐसा बात है.
no, not he's not trembling.
Okay, so now a suggestion comes for you. It may so happen that somebody is using a word in his statement which you do not understand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
पर उसके जो अर्थ है उसके ऊपर निर्भर करता है कि आपका उत्तर क्या होगा,
Yes.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या करना है तभी? आप तो उससे पूछ नहीं पाओगी.
नहीं वो
भैया
मेरे
भैया इस शब्द का अर्थ क्या है, इसका शब्दार्थ क्या है, पूछ तो नहीं पाओगे ना?
नहीं मैम
नहीं पाओगे.
नहीं.
बॉडी लैंग्वेज फॉलो करना है तब. Just
Okay.
look at the person and try to figure out that what kind of emotion he is trying to showcase.
Okay.
Otherwise, come and go by a very safe answer like we have a very happy and peaceful home. उसे
Okay.
उसको जो समझना है वो समझे, तुम्हारा क्या है
Okay.
ना?
Yes, ma'am.
This is ready weight. This is you have to practice.
Okay.
You have to be able enough. है ना? संसार में तो ऐसा हर वक्त औरतों को सामना करना पड़ता है कि किस किस्म का सिचुएशंस आ जाए तुमको पता नहीं पड़ेगा. But you have to deal with your own intelligence. So this is where you have to deal with your own intelligence. If you don't understand the question, go by a safe answer.
Answer with body language. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you have to follow the body language to guess the meaning of the word. And even if you can, if you can't guess the word of the meaning of the word that he used, please go by a safe answer. ठीक है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me that what are the segments where you enjoy power?
Ma'am, I use my power on my kids only.
And what about the home decor? What about the kitchen?
Yes,
What about
think-
the tour planning?
no, ma'am.
What about the weekend planning? Who does all these things?
Tour planning and weekend planning is under my husband, and
Okay.
I am a homemaker. I decor all the things in my home, decoration things in the kitchen, bedroom, two kids. It's all my under.
Okay. It's all my under बोल के कुछ नहीं होता है. They are all under me.
Okay, ma'am. They are all under me.
Right. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Khushbu, you tell me one thing, that if you are given power,
Yes.
what are the certain changes that you'd like to bring to India?
Ma'am, in India, lots of things are good or bad. I want to change poverty.
Okay.
If poverty is eradicated, then I think India would be a much better position.
Mhm.
Also, education system.
Mhm.
Here, government different and the private sector is different in the education, which comes under education. I want to change that things.
Anything else?
Ma'am, more things, but I can't change maybe corruption also, maybe population.
Okay. Please, I am repeating my advice to you, Khushbu. You are better than before, but it is time that you say short sentences but with correct grammar. Okay. That poverty is one thing that you would love to change.
Yes, I would love to change poverty.
Yes. I would love to see my India poverty free.
Okay.
This is a very simple statement, but it's a very important one. Next point. I would love to see every children having the right to education. शिक्षा का अधिकार जो बोलते हैं ना,
Yes, ma'am.
ये बात बोलना चाहिए.
Okay.
I believe or I want every child to be entitled to the right to education. क्योंकि जो करप्शन है, जो पॉपुलेशन है, ये सबके संग एजुकेशन का एक योग है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So that point you have to keep in mind.
Okay.
And if there are additional points in your mind, please place them like the way that there are things like I want a corruption free, pollution free, greener India where population will be under control so that everybody can have a better quality of life. छोटे छोटे करके बोलो पर सही बोलो.
सही बोलो. Okay.
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है, ma'am.
Frame your answers in this way. I'm very happy that you're doing good, and all the best. May we hope soon. May we meet soon. Okay. And with that, can I please move on to Yuvraj? Yuvraj, you are there? Yuvraj
Yes,
Pratap.
yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you doing? I cannot
Um,
see you.
ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, beta. I can see you now. Yes. What is your power you feel?
Ma'am, actually, in my house, there is no power. Ma'am, I think that there is no power in my home because all power is of my parents. So I think there is no power.
Sorry, I could not understand.
Because ma'am, I am a kid and I don't have any power and there is no need of any power inside me.
There is no need of any power inside you? You think that?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Because
think
ma'am,
that
because
you
ma'am,
think that you need no power? What is power to you then?
ma'am, my power is that if I want something and if it happens, then that is power for me.
Okay. Do you believe that willpower is a power too?
Willpower means, ma'am?
Willpower मतलब इच्छा शक्ति. इच्छा शक्ति भी एक शक्ति होती है,
Okay, so
आपको लगता है?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, it's a kind of power.
So don't you think you have that?
Uh, hmm, maybe, but I don't
Hmm?
realize it. Maybe, but
You
ma'am,
okay, okay,
I
okay,
don't
okay.
realize.
सपना भी तो एक शक्ति होता है ना? आपका जो सपना है कि आप you will do lot of things for the people around you.
Yes,
You
ma'am,
will shine.
but
Does
ma'am,
your
I have
dream not
not
give
done
you
anything.
strength? Your dream does not give you
Yes,
any
ma'am.
strength? Does not give you any power?
Yes, yes, ma'am. It definitely gives me power.
Please understand one thing, Yuvraj. You have been very honest and you have been very clean in whatever you have answered. I absolutely appreciate your honesty, but please take it as a suggestion or an advice from a senior professional, okay? Power is a very positive thing which can be utilized for negative agendas. है ना? There are a lot of people like politicians and who not, they encash their power and exercise it for wrong reasons. That's a bad thing. But power itself is a good thing. Power is energy. Power is strength. Power is kinetics. Okay. So if somebody asks you that if you have power or not, please don't confuse it with influence. Power and influence are not same. Often people reply, I have no power. Everybody has power. Everybody has power in his self. We all drive our life, we do all live our dreams, we all try to make the best thing happen to our life and the people around ourselves by our inner power. Everybody has a power. So please don't reply with the statement that I do not need a power or I do not have a power. Okay, could I make you understand the reason? You are mute, I cannot hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree to that? If you have any point to disagree, you can continue.
No, ma'am. There's no.
Okay, fine. Yuvraj, the last question to you. If you were given the supreme power to bring some changes to India, what would be those changes that you would love to do?
Ma'am, first I want to change that braving in negative way. And second thing is, like as you can see in India, that in government schools, teachers are not teaching their students well. So I want to improve this. So my I think it, if I have given any power to change something in India, then I will change these two things.
Please don't ever pass on a judgmental statement like in government school teachers are not teaching the children well. You have no clue about how many schools are there which are government schools in India and what is really the quality of education, okay? And more importantly, you are a part of the system. You are a student yourself, right? So when you are being judgmental about the teachers, every teacher is a teacher to you, right? You have
Yes, ma'am.
absolute. Please do not. You are a very humble and a very sweet guy. Please do not pass on a statement which is so judgmental. It is absolutely unethical and incorrect. You can put it in this way that, ma'am, if I am given supreme power, I would like to bring better quality of education in government schools in India because lakhs and crores of children who are economically challenged, they still study in the government schools. So if the quality of education in government schools could be made a bit better, I would be very happy. That could be your answer. But quality of education has got no relationship with teachers not teaching well in the school. You do not have any right to say that. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक ठीक है बेटा, सोच के
Okay,
उसके बाद आंसर देना, है ना? क्योंकि एक बार बोलने के बाद आप वापस नहीं ले पाओगे, ठीक है?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you beta, take care. Veena, with that, shall we wrap up the session for today? Okay.
Everyone, please.
Vishal, yeah, Vishal, shall I leave now? Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you. Everybody, bye, take care, bye.
Ma'am.